They're so cute. Look at the birds. Are they still there? I put food outside because that's leftover food. Instead of throwing the food, I just put it there. Gusto nila yung pancit. They like the pancit noodles. It's a type of noodles. Beautiful friends. Look how cute they are. See? I didn't call David to show David because... Hadassah, do you want to see the birds? They're brown. Nasa kitchen si Hadassah. I'm going to call her. They're so cute. This birds reminds me of my childhood. There's so many in our backyard. And I'm surprised. Thankfully, they're here in Japan too. There's so many. Look at them. They enjoy the noodles. When there's leftover, sometimes in the fridge, basta parang may ganun be. So I just have to put it here. When it's not good to be eaten, right? So instead of sa atin kasi kaning baboy siya, diba? But this one, you can give them to birds. Okay. Because sayang kasi. Oh my gosh, where are the other ones? There's one left. Let's show the bird to Hadassah. He's so cute. Just look, oh my gosh, David is here, so he's going to smash the place. Wait, I'm going to clean here, bae. There's a lot of toys. Thankfully, they didn't fly away. David is here. David! Mama is cleaning here. Hadassah likes this. Look at them. Told you. They've been 7 there earlier, or 6. They're so cute to look at. I love the color. Did they fly away? Great weather. Let's go to the park later. And then to the pool area. It's all free, babe. Free. The weather is so good. Ayan yung pinutol na trees. But the weather is so good, right? As compared to winter. Oh my goodness. Enjoy. Kapag ganito ang weather, be, this is a blessing. Kasi it's a lot of snow the last time. But today, great weather. Enjoy, everyone. We love you.